Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. And we have a massive update here everybody. We have a breaking news update. Philip Taylor, 37-year-old JLP blogger, he is dead. He was gunned down yesterday, that's Wednesday evening, in his community, and that's in Ocherias in Union Pen. All right, so it's a very sad situation, people. And also we have further news on that because the police actually went into his home and they found gun, military paraphernalia and things like that. So not sure exactly what he is a part of exactly. A lot of persons are saying police were the ones who planted it in his place and so on. I don't know what to say. I'm not going to say that because I mean, he was found. He was found in his Pro Box, right? His his Toyota Pro Box car, and it's a sad situation. People say, a lot of persons is gonna be on this. He's a member of, the leading party in the country right now. And also, there's another update that is out right now because there's a Klansman witness that was he's out on bail. Right, so he was a part of the whole witness thing, and now he was out on bail, and he was gunned down yesterday as well. So that is also a massive update, people, and I'm gonna get into the news on that one.
In Klan's case, killed by gunmen. Andre Smith, one of the 28 accused on trial for being a member of the One Dawn faction of the Klansman gang, was killed by gunmen in a section of St. Andrew on Wednesday. The death of the accused was confirmed by his attorney, Alexander Shaw, on Thursday afternoon. I heard that Smith's family identified his body this afternoon, Thursday. He was gunned down last night, Wednesday, Shaw told Loop News in an interview. He said that the shooting occurred approximately a minute outside Smith's gate. However, Shaw said he was not certain of the specific address. The attorney said that as part of Smith's bail condition, he wasn't to reside in St. Catherine and was living in St. Andrew. He said his client was employed by a pan chicken vendor and met his demise after delivering some chickens and was en route home. Within the vicinity of his home, two bikers approached him and started firing shots at him. He was rushed to the hospital where was undergoing surgery yesterday, Wednesday, evening, and he never made it this morning, Shaw told Loop News. The defense lawyer said Smith's mother is devastated by the news of her son's killing. Meanwhile, Shaw said there was the likelihood that Smith would have been acquitted at the end of the One Dawn trial. The matter is on break until September 19th. Smith had been implicated by one of the gangsters turned state witnesses of beating two men at a playing field in Rivoli in Spanish Town.
Alright, and there you have it, my people. That are the news we have for today. And as you can see, the news there a while ago about the whole Klansman, it's serious. So yeah, prayers goes out to all of the people who who are witness. I don't know if I'm a witness, and I don't know if him did get charged or something like that, people. But say we have respect for life no matter what. You understand? And yeah, the major headline, Philip Taylor, R.I.P. I don't know where you're really involved in. If you're involved in anything, Chief, but RIP and condolences to all of your family and so on. Everybody, this is where we're going to jump off. This is the update we have today. So please just like, share, subscribe. Help us get the news out, everybody. Thank you so much. Jamaican Chat.